Wrinkle-free, radiant, healthy skin is what we all strive for. That is why it is important to look into the best ingredients for your skincare products and also homemade remedies that will make sure your skin is in good condition. There is the saturation of skincare and beauty products on the market, which can be a bit daunting to say the least. But don't worry. Here we are presenting 5 of the best ingredients you should add to your beauty routine for your anti-aging skincare. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Best anti-aging skincare for wrinkle treatment. Brown sugar. A natural ingredient that tones, cleanses, and moisturizes your skin. Brown sugar is loaded with antioxidants that can get rid of harmful free radicals from your skin. It is much softer as compared to white granulated sugar and gently exfoliates your skin without causing any damage. How to make brown sugar scrub. Take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon vitamin E oil, and 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Mix all together. How to use sugar scrub. To use a sugar scrub, first wash your face very well. This will soften your skin and make it easier to exfoliate. After washing your face, massage the scrub into your skin using gentle circular motions. Let the scrub sit on your skin for a couple of minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Honey. Honey is one of nature's most known valuable product that has great natural ability for facial cleanser, wrinkle removal, and make your skin rejuvenated. You can simply mix it with fresh lemon juice and apply on your face for wrinkle treatment. Wash off with cold water after 10 minutes. Vegetables and fruits. Placing fruit on your faces might sound a bit silly, but you would be surprised with what mashed vegetables and fruits can do to your skin. If you have oily skin, cucumber can be the right choice for you. Its juice will help soften and soothe your skin and increase elasticity of your skin too. For dry skin, avocado is perfect because it is loaded with healthy fats and phytonutrients. You can combine it with a bit of olive oil, which will make your skin even more hydrated and supple. Coconut oil. One of the wrong myths about applying coconut oil to oily skin is that it will make your face even greasier the whole day. In fact, coconut oil can get rid of any dirt without stripping your skin of its natural oils. This is why this ingredient is an absolute must in your skincare routine. Also, it has antimicrobial properties, and therefore, it will leave your skin smooth and fresh while replenishing lost moisture. Organic full-fat yogurt. Yogurt is a wonderful natural face cleanser that is rich in lactic acid and protein. 2 compounds that can flawlessly detoxify your skin and making it look refreshed, rejuvenated, and more younger. As protein tightens the pores, hydrates, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. And lactic acid encourages your skin to get rid of the dead skin cells. Take some organic full-fat yogurt, put a thin layer on your face, and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then rinse off using warm water. Have you tried any of these simple home remedies? Let us know in the comment which you benefited from. Thanks for watching.